Game. Number 11 pass to number 3. Oh, nahanap yung kakapi niya, pinata sa referee. Keros, pass to number 0. 0 pass to number 1. Number 1 is coming. Rebound goes to number 23. Number 23 is the ball. Number 23. Number 23 has to number 0. Number 23 pass to number 11. 11. Melling. Rebound goes to number 35. Number 35. And a whistle. And grabbing violation. Abali number 0 pass to number 36. Keros to the ball. Number 37 Keros. Keros pass to number 1. Number 1 between 3. Number 1 running at the elbow. Rebound goes to number 24. Number 24 pass to number 23. Number 23 dribble the ball. Number 36. Number 23 pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 3 on time. Return. 2 points play number 3. Eman dribble the ball. Eman pass to number 7. Number 7 has to play. And we still attack on play number 3. Eman, pass to number 7, number 7, number 7, number 7 nothing. Rebound by number 1 nothing again. And a whistle. The symbol. Number 23. Number 23. Number 3 pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3 pass to number 11. Number 11. Nothing. Rebound goes to. And we got Tangas play number 5. Number 3. Tangas play number 0. Number 3, pass to Jack. Number 24, hands play number 0. Number 24. And attacker play number 0. Ten seconds left. Number 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. Second up violation. Allowing number 0 pass to Eman. Eman to the ball. Eman. Eman pass number 0, number 0, number 0, 0 back to Evan, the center, starting having, rebound by number 24, number 24, pass to, and assisted by Evan now dribble the ball, Evan number 7, Evan pass to number 7, and assisted by number 11 holding the ball, number 23, pass to number 23, number 23, hands by Evan, number 23, dribble the ball, number 23, pass to number 24, back to number 23, to number 3, number 3 to number 35, and assisted by number 0, pass to Evan, pass, rebound by number 7, number 7, 6 minutes remaining in the first quarter, our score, 2-all. Number 3, long version is number 3. Number 3 has number 0, pass up. 10 seconds up down. Pass to number 24, you see the ball coming. Rebound goes to number 7. Number 7 pass to number 0. Number 0 has to number 3. Number 0, pass to number 7. Number 7 pass to number 24. Number 24 pass to number 95, you see the ball? Yes, sir. 2 points. Our score, 4-2 in favor of Warriors. And running number 7, pass to number 13, Evan. 5 minutes remaining. Pass to number 7. Starts negotiation. And running number 24, pass to number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 3. Number 3, yes, 2 points by number 3. Redman pass to number 8. Number 8, number 3, pass back to Redman. Redman has the number 3. Redman pass to Redman. And assisted by number 3. Number 3 pass to number 23. Number 23, PG for 3, nothing. Rebound goes to Jeff. Jeff dribble the ball, Jeff, out of the number side, Jeff to the left side, nothing. Rebound by number 24. Number 24, Warrior over number 6, pass to number 35. Number 35 now dribble the ball, number 35. Number 35, pass to number 3. Number 3 pass to number 35. 35 taking the lead, nothing. Rebound by number 11. And a whistle in a foul by number 28. 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Our score, 6-2 in favor of Warriors. And bowling number 24. Number 24 to number 11. Nasu to number 11. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Ako ang buko and a whistle. And a foul goes through. Foul number 0. Substitution ref. And bowling number 24. Number 24 pass to Tatsuki Nari. Substitution ref. Number 30, back to number 18, back to number 20, Redman, rebound, number 30, Giar number 14, pass to number 18, number 35, nothing, rebound by number 24. Number 24 pass to Giar taking for 3. Rebound by number 35. Number 35 assisted by Jeff pass to Evan to Redman facing the ball. Rebound by Jeff to Evan. Back to Giar now to the ball. Number 47 Giar number 46, Pass to number 30. Number 30, looking for me. Nothing. And an elbow. Andrew involved. Number 19, involving pass to number 13, Carol. Pass to number 18, Cool. Use nothing. Rebound by Kazuki, number 11. Number 11, pass to number 23. Number 23, play directly with the ball. Rebound goes to number 13, by Evan. Evan out for the ball. Evan, pass to Jeff. Jeff, pass to Raymond. Pass to number 19, pass to Raymond, pass to Evan. Evan, to Evan, yes. 2 minutes running and the first quarter. Number 9. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Pass to number 23. For 3. Nadia. Rebound off the Raymond. Number 1. Raymond pass to Jeff pass to Kiro. Kiro's going to be the ball. Yes. Easy point. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Here, long version, pass to number 5. And the first one, to Rebound number 16. And a whistle. And a pushing foul. One minute and 11 seconds remaining. Number 30. Pass to number 19. Back to number 30. To 38. Pass to number 5. Number 5 for Jeff. Black by number 11. 1 minute remaining. Number 11. To nothing. Rebound goes to number 18. Jeff to Evan to Evan. To Jeff. He's right. 30 seconds remaining. Number 30. Yes, 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 5. Pass to some 2 points. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. For the second quarter, our temperature down as a player, our scoring probation, 7 Intel. Number 80, pass to number 19, yes, 2 points. Number 23, our score 48, and Julio, by the 6 for Williams. Number 23, pass to number 24. 24, play number 18. 24, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 3. To number 13. Number 13, speaking for 3. Number 13, nothing. Rebound goes to number 6. Let's take the line. Number 24. Number 24, pass to number 0. Number 5. Number 6, pass to 0. 0 to the ball, number pass to number 30. Number 30, and a whistle and a foul. And a foul goes to number 1, right. And ball being played number 30. Number 30 pass to number 22. To number 24. Number 24, and a whistle. A open ball by number 86. Team foul and the other. Number 24. Number 24 to number 0. Number 0 to number 3. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 6, Robles. Pass to Jeff. Turn around. Back to Robles. Nothing. Rebound. Goes to number Jeff. Pass to number 17. Nothing. Rebound by number 30. number 30, number 30 to number 23, number 23, Alex, rebound by Jeff. Jeff pass to number 6, number 6, number 6 now dribble the ball, number 6, back to number 19, number 19, pass and lay in the center, pass to number 17, number 17, number 17, pass to lay, elbow, and a whistle, and a rebound, goes to number 0, pass to number 24, number 24. 8 minutes remaining. Number 24, number 24, number 24, we let the right go. Nothing, rebound by number 6, number 6, number 6, number 6, dribble the ball, number 6, number 6, and assisted by number 33, number 23, number 23, dribble the ball, pass to number 7, 0 back to number 23, number 33, number 23, Tomera. Yes, 2 points. Wayne bowling pass to number 19, number 19, pass to number 6. Our score for Big Ten and Timberwolves KGL. Number 6, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to Jeff. Number 80. Number 80, complete. Nothing. Rebound goes to number 0. Pass to number 30, 23, 23. Goes to the board. Yes, 2 points. Seven minutes remaining. Number 6, pass to number 17, number 17, thinking for goal. Nothing. The wire ball. Number 23, pass to number 30. Number 20, back to number 23, taking for 3. Nothing. Rebound by number 0. Number 1, Pumo. Number 2, Jeff. Jeff to the ball. Jeff to the director. With the ball. Nothing. Rebound by Jeff. Jeff turn around. Jeff. And now he's looking a foul. And a foul by number 5. Substitution. General out in number 30, number 30 out in number 30. And now DPS. So Patal, rebound to number 35. Number 23, here's the ball, number 23. 23, back to number 30. Number 30, back to number 33, to number 0. Number 0 to number 35, number 35. Number 35 in the whistle. And a foul. Substitution. Bowling number 24, pass to number 3. Number 3, back to number 24. Nothing. Rebound by number 3. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 is the director. Nothing. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Number 23. Number 23, dribble the ball, pass to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Number 11, nothing. Rebound by number 11. Two points by number 21. Number 23. Number 23. Number 23, pass to number 35. Number 35 in the team's one area, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24, using the ball in the whistle. And a foul goes to number 6. Substitution. And a full breakthrough by number 24. Number 24 in the 4.5 minute line in the 2 breakthrough. And the first breakthrough by number 24. Nothing. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. The end of the first half. The last breakthrough by number 24. Nothing. Rebound goes to number 5. Number 5. Number 5, pass to number 21 to number 23. So, on number 23, nagawa buko ng number 23. Na ito ay nahal po. Hindi ang Warriors po, Warriors. Here, dribble the ball, here, looking for City, here, pass to number 24, pass to number 35, level for Taylor, turn around, Nari, rebound by number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5, dribble the ball, pass to number 23, number 23, pass to number 21, number 21, I can see number 11, number 11, and a back last way, number 11. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 0, turn around, number 0, pass to number 2. 23, number 5, 10 seconds to shoot, number 5 using the ball. Rebound by number 11. GR comes over there, GR, pass to number 35, number 35, pass to number 24, to Alvaro. Yes, number 35, number 1, Hugo, number 0, number 0, number 51, number 21, number 21, derecho, Pabali, Malari, number 11. Number 11, pass to number 9, GR, dribble the ball, GR. Our score, 6-4 with 0 and GR in a 4-point lead. 3 minutes waiting, GR pass number 35, number 35. 10 seconds to shoot, number 5. Number 5, Elijah, director, using the ball, yes, 2 points. Number 22. Number 23. 10 seconds to shoot, number 23, number 3. And 3 seconds violation. Shot situation. 2 minutes and 33 seconds to the end of the first half. Number 21, pass to number 28, Redred. Back to number 21, low number 3, pass to number 0. Nada, pass to number 21, back to Redred looking for 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21, pass to number 0, Nada to Nada, nothing. Rebound goes to number 23, GR pass to number 30, number 30. Legendary. Number 0, back to number 31, pass to Redred moves, number 0, rebound goes to number 30, number 30. Number 39, dribble the ball, number 30, pass to number 35, number 35 to number 33, number 33, Tumera, rebound by number 0, number 0, dribble the ball, 0, pass to number 33, tumakbo ang bola ng Imanol. 1 minute and 25 seconds waiting to the end of first half. GR now, dribble the ball, number 48, GR, maraming pass na GR. Number 25, Tiki Pagui, Nani. Number 21, rebound, dribble the ball, out of play, number 13, number 91. 1 minute waiting, Redred using the ball, rebound by number 11. Number 11 now, dribble the ball, number 11. Number 11 has the number 0, pass to number 30, number 30 to the very top, and a whistle, a foul by number 20.